Hi there, today I'm out in this beautiful woodland and I'm going to be using two of the UK's native trees, willow and elder, to show you how we can make some charcoal pencils. Now we're using elder and willow because the properties of these trees just make them perfect for making pencils. The willow in particular is very, very straight. If we're going to make pencils, then we need a straight piece of wood. It also is fantastic for making charcoal. And the elder has this wonderful property where in the centre of the elder we have this soft pith. And elder can be used for all kinds of nature crafts because we can hollow the centre of it out and remove that pith. So we're going to remove the pith to make the casing of the pencil. We're going to make some charcoal on the campfire and we're going to place the charcoal inside the elder to make our very own nature pencil. So to begin with, we're going to put a couple of holes in the top of our tin. This tin is going to be used for making the charcoal. So we're going to take our palm drill and we're just going to press on. So we're left with a tin that is just got two holes just like so. And I'm going to take the length of willow, and before we put it into the tin we're just going to use our secateurs just to take the bark from it. Just try taking the top layer off. You can use a fixed blade knife to do this as well if you would like, instead of the secateurs. But I'm going to cut pieces of charcoal that are the same length of the tin. 4 pieces of willow, which has been whittled, the bark removed. We're just going to place them inside the tin and then close the lid. So this tin with the whittled willow is now going to go into the fire. Now as the fire is burning with your willow inside the tin, it's okay to pile sticks on top of it and put the tin directly into the fire, but make sure that you can see the holes. The heat of the fire will determine how long it takes for the willow to turn into charcoal. Keep your eye on it and remember, once the smoke stops coming out of the holes, it's time to safely remove it. So while the charcoal is making, we can move ahead and begin to do the pencil. So you're going to need a length of elder, and on the elder you're going to notice that it has these little sections where branches will grow off the main stem. It's important that we cut between these sections. We're also going to need a tent peg or something similar, and the aim of this section here is to remove this white pith from the centre here. So just using my tent peg, I'm just going to put it in and push away from myself, just like so. And then when the charcoal is ready, the charcoal is going to slide through this hole and then we'll whittle the end. Another important tip as well is that when you're making your fire, be sure to use an alternative wood to elder. Don't chop the elder for making the pencil and then put it in the fire. Legend has it that people would say you could tell when people were burning elder wood in their houses because you could see the devil dancing on their chimney, and that is because the smoke from elder wood, when you burn it, is poisonous to humans. So never burn elder wood in a confined space. So once the smoke has stopped coming out of the holes in the tin of the charcoal, you can remove it safely. And we just open it up, and there inside we have our charcoal. And I'm just going to put it in like so. if it snaps, then as we use it, we just use the knife to sharpen it. Okay, I'm going to pop a little bit more. And then I'm going to take my knife and I'm just going to whittle the end of it away. Now what can happen as well is when you apply pressure, the charcoal can push through. So the way that we can overcome that is just cut a little piece of willow that acts as a plug, and we just pop that into the end, just like so. An elder pencil, made our own charcoal out of willow, made our own pencils outer with the elder, and also a little stopper with the willow as well. So easier to buy a pencil in the shops, but nowhere near as much fun to come out into the woodlands and to make your own pencil using 2 of the UK's native trees. Hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.